Hello, I was given this Humarian Probiotics Daily Probiotic for kids, toddlers, and children ages 1 to 9. This is just such a great way to give your kids a daily probiotic. It has 8 strains of gut health probiotic mix. So good for your kids and so easy to give. It comes in this little bottle. It does not have to be refrigerated. Smells so good. It's a grape flavor, and you just put 8 drops into, you can put it in their mouth if they like that. It does smell really delicious. If they don't like it, you can put it in a non-heated, their juice, anything like that to give it to them. Really great for gut health for your children. Really easy to use, does not have to be refrigerated. So just a really great way to give your kids a daily probiotic.